Hi! Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens. I am home in Denver, Colorado, my friend. Hey, if this is your first time you watching me, go ahead and hit that little bell notification right there. I'll go ahead and put first time in after we're done. All right? But today, would you like to learn how to make a video? Right? Wouldn't you learn how to make a video? I think it's that time of day. Because this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. All right. Yes. All right. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna kind of tell you why it's very important. So you structure your video, okay? Because your audience attention, they're coming to you. You gotta think about this. They're taking their time out of their day to come and watch you. Okay, so preparing your video is going to be a huge part of this as well. Okay, so you need to have your things in place before you actually come on live. You ever seen those people that are like, oh, I'm just going to wing it? Okay, you're wasting people's attention. They're not going to come back to you if you do not deliver a message. Okay, so you need a structure. You need to have at least something there. Okay, and you need to and it's focusing on the replay. Right? Because the majority of people aren't going to catch you live. They're going to catch you on the replay. And when they do come on live, simply address them. Okay? But would you like to learn how to structure your video? Right? Go ahead and give me a me down there in the comments. We're going to go over the 6 things that you just got to do every time that you make a video. That's going to help you make a video. So before I started doing online marketing, I had no idea what I was doing, right? And I was just hell on fire, man. Pop, 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 just doing everything out there. I wasn't getting much traction. Now I've gotten literally way more traction just because people are, people recognize my face, which is pretty awesome. But this is what we're gonna do. We're going into the 6 steps. So this is the first thing you need: intro, right? You need to capitalize. You need to get people's attention. So copywriting is important with this, right? Just like email marketing, stuff like that. My copywriting game is not that strong right now. That's just being real with myself. So I use a tool. It's called Title Generator. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it here in the comments. I should put it up there, but I'm going to just put it down here in the comments after the video so you guys can click on that link. And what this title generator does is you just put in a subject, whatever your video is on, right? Because you got to plan it first. So whatever your video is going to be on, you're going to put that into the heading, and it's going to give you 700 different ways to write it with good copywriting. Okay, so that way people will actually click on your video more often, right? Okay, so now after the intro, hey, this is your boy, Colton Havens. Came to get your brain food, baby. Right? After the intro, you need to ask a qualifying question. Do you want to learn how to structure a video? So whatever's in line, right, with your video. That's a good question to ask, okay? Third thing is you need to tell a story. It's a great place to tell a story. Now, I'm actually going to do a whole another video on how you can get stories in your life. If you don't have a story, you can use other people's stories. I always use lots of other people's stories, but just how I was telling you that I was just hell on fire, right? Now, for my story, I need to make a point. Okay, I need to make a point in my story. My story needs to have a point, right? When I was starting this out and I was just throwing things together, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just making content, So make a point from the story. Now, this 5th thing that we got to do after we make our point is we need to teach from the point, just how we're doing here. See how I just made this all I'm doing it as I'm teaching it sort of thing. So I need to teach from the point that I made in the story. So I never want to make a video without a story, and I never make a video without a point. Okay, your attention is important to me. When you come here, I want you to be able to be better off than when you got here. I want this to be helpful. That's why I do my inspiration in the morning. We're going to do some tactics here at night. So after I teach from the point, I need to call to action, okay? Whether that's a like, share, go to this link, but I need to continue my conversation with you elsewhere, or you need to continue your conversation elsewhere with your business, okay? If you're using online, if you're making videos to actually produce revenue, these are the 6 things that you got to have in order. Okay, and then once you got your brain food for the day, my friend, go ahead and hit that share button right there for everybody else that is still hungry. Please stay in tune here. We're going to be coming to you in the afternoon tomorrow around lunchtime when y'all get hungry. Okay, I want to give you a upbeat your day. Okay, but go ahead and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow. Because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, you got to get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace.